Hi, welcome to my channel. In this series, we're going to talk about the relational databases, which is one of the key components of data engineering. And of course, with data engineering, you interact with databases, interact with the files, and the relational databases. It's one of major key components. If you look at maybe 90% of the organizations, they are storing data in a structured way, which is within the relational databases. And it's a good skill set to have to be able to work with these databases. And one of the key key databases which are very common, uh, MySQL, Postgres, Oracle, SQL Server, and there's also is it IMB? Is it BM? I've forgotten. It's called IMB. Is it IM? Yes, IMB. Is that right? I've forgotten the kind of. There's also another database which is also part of relational database, which I've forgotten. Is it? I've forgotten. If you guys can really remember, you can put in the comment section. So here, this is an example of a relational database. This could be either Postgres, Oracle, MySQL, and SQL Server. They have got almost the same layout on how the tables are interconnected through the reference keys and the primary keys. So here is an example of relational database, which is a hospital. I've used an example of a hospital management system which has got multiple tables which have I've just set it out. Actually, I've set this behind the scenes before starting the series. So our main table, our main database, sorry, it has users table, conditions, encounters, practitioner, patients table. So all these are interlinked, as you can see. If I may start with this link, this is a users table is related to or is connected to a patients table via using a primary key, which is the user ID, and connected to patients table using created by, which this is a foreign key. And the conditions table is also connected to encounters table based on an encounter ID. And encounters table is also connected to practitioner table. There's a column which I've forgotten to add, which is practitioner ID. And this is also connected to the patient's table via the patient ID. So you can see these relationships, how they manage or they help one to be able to create a link between different tables. So let's say this data we had it in Excel. It will be very hard for us to do analytics on it, and it will really take a lot of time. So with the relational databases, it's much easy, and the data is much easy to manage. So guys, so I have another example of a relational database. This is for a store. It has users table, sales table, and products table. So all these are structured tables. They take in structured data which has got rows and columns. So yeah, we shall look at how these are in practical, how we can implement this kind of database and be able to make sense out of it. So yeah, so this was an introduction video, talk about what we're going to be covering. So we shall be covering much more detail with SQL, right? How to create tables, create columns, join all these tables, and filtering, and be able to filter. If someone asks you for a report right now, can you get for me patients who came in at this day and with this kind of condition? So we should be able to write a query, a single query, with joins and what we shall see in the coming series. So how to join all these, and it's a good thing to have all this skill set and be able to, as a data engineer, it should be SQL should be your number one skill as we push forward. So yeah, guys, please subscribe, share, and comment. Yeah, feel like also put in the comment section what do you expect, what do you feel like learning, and yeah, we shall talk about it. So yeah, guys, please continue coming to the channel, share, and click a bell icon for you to be alerted when I upload a new video, and you're sure. Yeah, so yeah, guys, see you. Thank you very much. Bye. See you on next video.